Welcome to your Resilient House.
All right, I am here at the Resilient Rebuilding workshop or convention with Lindsay here. This is at Pacific Palisades. And Lindsay, tell me about your organization.
Yes, the Switch is On is a consumer organization that we focus on educating consumers and contractors on going all electric. If you go to our website, we connect you with contractors in your area. All you have to do is put in your zip code and find certified contractors that can install your heat pump, your induction stove, etc. And then also find rebates and incentives in your local area too.
Yeah, incentives. That's one of the things that as a person who's rebuilding my home, I'm very interested in all the incentives. Do you have like a list of all the incentives that we qualify for Eco Electric?
Yes, if you go to our website, there's quite a bit, and they are specific by zip code. So if you go and put in your zip code, it'll show you the exact ones in your area.
All right, very good. Thank you very much, Lindsay.
Thank you.
Okay, tell me your name and your organization.
Sure, my name's Amanda Martin and I work for Climate Action California.
We're
basically a nonprofit organization that promotes science-based solutions to the climate crisis, and then we try to lobby our legislators to implement that policy.
Excellent. So tell me about your current petition.
A position, well, today we're basically unleashing a petition that we have where we're sending in a petition to both the LA mayor and the city council, as well as the governor and the CPUC, that is trying to help incentivize an all-electric rebuild and to take away incentives for the gas infrastructure and to stop ratepayers from having to fund the gas infrastructure.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
This is your Resilient House.